Phenomenal product. We've been enjoying it so much over at QVC. This item, I believe I was surprised to see the 50-foot is back up again right now, but I thought the 50-foot was sold out, but it looks like it might be available again, which is great. Just want to show everyone here right now, metal garden hoses, you might think that they're actually not flexible. They're super flexible. They're made of stainless steel, so they're puncture resistant. That means the thorn bushes and stuff around your house you don't have to worry about, tangle free. This is going to be the easiest garden hose you'll ever use around your yard. It's super lightweight. It's super compact, and you don't have to worry about anything around your yard like some of the fabric hoses that might pop. You don't have to worry about that. That was why we made this metal garden hose. In fact, my daughter, Aubrey, actually invented it. She said, Dad, all those fabric hoses out there, I love them. They're flexible and all that kind of stuff, but they pop. What if we made one out of metal? And that's how the metal garden hose started. So basically, the metal garden hose is super flexible. What it means is, what I'm doing right here is just showing you that if you were doing this with a big, heavy green garden hose, you'd be fighting it, you'd be dealing with it, but you don't have to fight with it anymore because you can coil it up easy, use it easy around your yard. That was the key, is easy. But one of the best parts about the metal garden hose is the fact that you don't have to deal with this anymore. So we know what this is like. All of these are a problem right here. These kinks right here, once those happen in a standard rubber hose, they don't go away. Even when you go like that, you can see what happens. That flat spot still stays there and the water doesn't flow. No more. The reason is that Bernini has no kink. That was our goal, was to invent no kink products for QVC. What that means is I have 40 knots in this hose right here. And as you can see, even if I pull this super tight right here, and I pull it tight, all of these knots, watch what happens when I turn the water on. I turn the water on and I've got full water stream. What that means right here is that even with all those knots, it's not gonna kink because it's a no kink hose. Now I'm gonna go to the fan spray. The nozzle is included. It's all ready to go when you get it at home. Watch the wide fan spray I can go to. Now watch this, we're gonna go to high power. Listen to the power. That's the power. I'll turn it back down here. That's the power you're gonna get because the hose is extremely high performance, but even with all those knots, it still doesn't want to kink because it can't. The design of it won't allow it to kink. So even with all of that, you don't ever have to worry about kinking again. One of the things I want to show everyone is how lightweight it is. Now I have two hoses right here. These are both 50-footers. This is 100, so if you were to get an idea whether you buy the 100 or you buy two 50s, this is how lightweight it is. So what that means, if you were to try and do this with one of those big rubber garden hoses, you wouldn't be holding it like this, and it wouldn't be this lightweight. It's extremely lightweight when you get it at home. Let's take a look at how puncture resistant it is over here. So I mentioned to you that my daughter actually invented it. So my family has been inventors since the 1700s, and actually inventing one of the first safety pins back in 1700s of the Yiser Brothers Safety Pin Company. But now all these generations later, I get the benefit of QVC inventing products with my daughter and my son. She said, Dad, let's make a hose that's made of metal so they don't pop. So we did. We made the first metal garden hose. I have a bed of nails here real quick. We're just going to show in an extreme example, okay? This is if you have roses at home or anything like that, or even a dog that likes to chew on a hose, you don't have to worry anymore because it's made of stainless steel. That means you don't have to worry about punctures or anything like that. Now, we have this fence post here with barbed wire, chain link fence. We have all kinds of stuff in here. Even with all of this, going through the bed of nails, going through the fence post, watch what happens when I come over here. The water is going to actually come out where I want it to, which is at the end of the nozzle. So as you can see, the punctures didn't happen, the barbed wire is not a problem, and again, comes with the multifunction spray nozzle, so we get that full power that you're going to see here, or a wide, nice fan spray that you can work around your garden. And that's how easy it is to do. Now, we have multiple colors available. Let me see if I can grab these. Oh, the 50-foot is now back in stock right now, so that's what I was surprised, which is great. With the 50-foot, we have back in stock, and the colors that we have available for it right now are, we have the gray right here, which looks great, and then we have, let's see, we have I believe this is the lavender right here. This looks stunning in your yard. Both sizes available in this right here, which is fantastic. The mint, this is obviously going to go with any garden. Both sizes are available in this as well. And we have the rose right here. Both sizes are available in this as well. And sky blue. This looks fresh in your garden. Both sizes available in this as well. And we have yellow. This is only available in the 100-foot. Now, the lengths of these hoses, do not worry whether you buy a 50 or 100, because I want to show everyone here what you can do when you get your hoses at home and how easy they are. So when you get it at home, let's say you get the 50-foot. If you put two 50-foots together on a reel, you can wind it up super simple like this and connect them together. Now, what you're going to see here right now is the fact that when I wind this all up, I just wound up 50 foot. Let's put on another 50 standard connectors so you can connect them to anything around your yard. Use them as to connect up to your pressure washer, your sprinklers, anything that you have. And we're going to wind up 100 feet of hose really quick here. Try doing that with a rubber garden hose, your standard garden hose when you get it at home. It's not that easy. What I want to show everyone also is that we have this rustic barrel hose holder. Now, this is available as well. It's a great way to store your hose. You basically just drop your metal garden hose right in here, and when you're looking at it in your yard, this is what you actually see, which is nice and beautiful, so you don't have to have that big ugly mess around your yard. Feeds right into here, and you can just set your hose up super easy. Now, the metal garden hose right here comes with the multifunction spray nozzle. And what's new this year right now is we have this new nozzle on here, which gives you the multiple adjustability, but watch this, silicone hose washers. Sounds like it's easy, something simple, but we wanted to go with the highest quality that will help prevent leaks. Billet aluminum connectors, the highest quality, new easy grip handles to hold on to your hose with. Here's the magic, the patented power coupler. This right here is what separates us from those other hoses you might see online that look like shiny hoses. They don't have that. That right there, this is one of those hoses you might find online. Watch what happens when you get to the end. You pull it, it will pop and break because it doesn't have the power coupler. Only at Bernini do we have the patented power coupler. This is one of the best hoses of metal hoses on the market because when you get to the end, you pull it, you don't need to worry about it breaking. That's what you're going to get here at QVC, which makes the hose super nice and great to use. All you have to do is pick your color. Obviously, there's multiple sizes available. If you want to get 250s, put them together. Here's the gray. 100 foot available only on the gray. And lavender, both sizes available on this one. Same with the mint and the rose as well. And I believe in sky blue, which is what's fresh in your garden. And let's see the yellow right here. And that's only available in the 100 foot. Now, again, coils up super easy. And I think we're going to go over to Judy now next. So anyways, hope everyone loves the metal garden hose when you get it home. And Judy, here you go.
Thank you so much. I'm hanging around with my hanging basket.